You're searching for how to start your own medical billing and coding business. It's a great search. It can help you out with this. My name is Brendo Linick. I appreciate you for connecting with me here. And over the next 2 minutes, the course of this video, what I want to do really briefly is share with you some important principles and concepts and questions that you really have to know when it comes to a medical billing and coding business. Having started a lot of different types of businesses over the last 3 years, I won't get into this story and bore you, but also through that process, gotten around people who have started their own medical billing and coding business. And when it comes to this, if you're looking at it because you want to create a business that's leveraged, that's flexible, that's lucrative, that you know you can make money at, if that's really what you're looking for, honestly, I would advise you before you take this approach, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with medical billing and coding as a business. It's a profitable business. People are making money with it. But if you're only doing it because of that, alright, and then I've got a lead I want to throw your way here, alright, because if you want to deal with supplies, if you want to deal with equipment, employees, all the things that go together with a medical billing and coding business, I can share that with you in detail. I can point you in the right direction. Just drop me a comment down below. But before you take that approach, if you're only looking at this, and if only, alright, you're looking at this because you want to be your own boss, but you want to build a business in a way that's flexible, that you know you can make money at, that you know is reliable, alright, where you can do what you want still, whenever you want, alright, you can have that mobility and kind of breathing space, time freedom, I guess you could say. That's what you're really looking for out of a business. Then I've got a lead I want to throw your way here, and you know, what that is honestly an internet business. And if you hear me out here for a second, my experience with this over the last 13 months was when I took myself from a traditional brick and mortar business to an online business. I made that switch, and the reason was, and I won't tell you the internet's the only way to go when it comes to building a business, but if you're looking at starting a business, a medical, billing and coding business, because you're really looking at it not just to be your own boss, but to create a leveraged, lucrative income and lifestyle where you could do what you want, whenever you want, literally wherever you want, alright? The best thing you could do is an online business. And my experience, like I said, goes back 13 months ago when I came across someone who's building a business online, making a multiple six-figure income, just working on the computer without doing anything technical. If you're good with numbers, if you're good with connecting with people, it can definitely work for you, because what happened for me was when I started to model and copy this person, in a period of 2.5 weeks after them sharing with me what they did, I was able to create myself a full-time income business working part-time on the internet, and ever since that point, haven't looked back since. So, those aren't average or typical results, but if you're willing to learn some things and you're coachable, then check out my site, connect with me. I'll put a link down below. It's 123marketingtips.com. What you'll see when you go there is a video from my business partner, myself, as well as testimonials from people who I personally work with who have done this to create full-time and part-time incomes their first 30 days. It's not average, it's outrageous, it's pretty cool stuff. You'll have to see it on the other side to believe it. But that said, I look forward to connecting with you on the other side. Most importantly, my friend, seeing you this year on the beaches of the world. Take care.